Roblox lag causes delays and interruptions in gameplay due to network latency, rendering bottlenecks, and server congestion. To combat lag, Roblox introduced Engine v3.0 in early 2025, optimizing client-side processes and balancing server loads to reduce latency by up to 40% in high-traffic situations. Mobile devices now use automatic adaptive resolution scaling, lowering graphics during network congestion without user input. PC users benefit from NVIDIA RTX lag reduction technology, minimizing frame drops in intensive games. Additional fixes optimize the Lua-based scripting engine through asset caching and content preloading. While many lag issues are addressed, users in low-bandwidth regions may still experience spikes. Consider upgrading internet, lowering in-game settings, closing background apps, and ensuring devices meet minimum specifications. Looking forward, Roblox is adopting cloud gaming hybrids via partnerships with Google Stadia and Microsoft Azure Edge, potentially halving lag for mobile users by 2026. The rise of 5G and 6G networks will enable real-time adaptive streaming, shifting the focus from device upgrades to network-centric fixes. AI-driven lag prediction, using machine learning to anticipate server loads, is also trending. By 2027, near zero lag in optimized games is predicted through quantum computing integrations. The Roblox Adopt Me game saw a 60% reduction in lag complaints after Roblox implemented region-specific servers. Brookhaven RP on PC reduced frame lag by integrating Vulkan API. With these advancements, user satisfaction is rising, but global internet disparities remain a challenge. Continuing to monitor updates, leverage available settings, and stay connected with the Roblox community will help minimize lag and maximize your gaming experience.